friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today Shonda and I are excited to be bringing to you a Trash to Treasure collaboration video. It is being hosted by the Swowen's Nest and also by Lisa at Lisa & Company. And ladies, we thank you so much for the invite. We had so much fun taking this changing table from this to this, and we hope you'll stick around for the entire video to see exactly what we did. And I looked up on this piece at, yep, you guessed it, the Goodwill for $19.99. I knew as soon as I saw it that it was exactly what I was looking for and would be perfect for this collaboration. What I liked mostly about it was the size of it. I'm not sure the video is doing it justice, but it is a pretty substantial sized piece of furniture, and I could already see in my head exactly what I could do with it. After removing all of the unwanted hardware and stickers and then giving it a good thorough cleaning, I was on to my first coat of paint. And I chose not to sand the furniture first. Maybe I should have, because I ended up having to put 3 coats of paint on it. All of the decorative wrought iron hardware that was used was bought at Hobby Lobby, and half of it was 50% off and the other was regular price, but I still came out pretty good because I only spent just a little under $25. And here you'll see I've already put on the corner pieces on the front, the wrought iron, the corner pieces, the wall pieces that were used in the corners, and now I'm just trying to decide exactly where I should put the handles at. And to add just a little bit more flair, I have this stencil that I chose. It came from Hobby Lobby and it was $1.99. And you'll also see the chocolatey brown paint that I'm using. It is brand name Art Deco and it's in a color called Burnt Umber. And here you see I've solicited the help of my Shuggie. We had to end up adding some wood to the bottom of the changing table just to be able to accommodate the wheels that I purchased. The bottom of the table was too narrow, so we needed something just to anchor the wheels to. And the wheels that I bought were purchased from Amazon. They came in a set of 4 and they were $39.99. And now for the finished product. Here is my new bar cart / serving table. And I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I love the fact that I chose to put the wheels on it. That just gives me a little bit more flexibility. And ladies, I need your opinion. Should I add those 2 corner pieces to the lower level also? Or do you think that might just kind of be overkill? I'm not really sure. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think.